Hi guys, we are back with another video, and the Black Friday deal is on the Nike store, and it's 30% off every single thing in the store. And me and my mum went in to just check out some stuff to see if had any good discounts, and I ended up picking up a pair of trainers and buying them.
Why?
Because I don't have any trainers, and all my trainers are apparently not very nice.
Well, your trainers are used for running around and doing stuff,
Yeah.
and so your mum said have some trainers that you can wearing and look relatively smart in. So she bought you these trainers, which was very nice of her.
Yes.
So go on, let's have a look.
So, got to tell you, for the Black Friday deal, they were 30% off, which is from £62 to, let's just check right now.
£43 and 40 pence.
£43 and 40 pence. And
This is what you got.
yeah. So
Originally.
they were, but the original was $94.95. They got reduced to $62. They got reduced again by the 30% off.
So the actual size, that's a US size.
8.
But then your size was, you got UK.
7.
And they are the Jordan DNA LX. Whatever that means. The box is very nice. Do you want to show the box? Turn around and show the box. This is quite unique because normally the boxes we get when we order from places like Adidas and Pro Direct Sports and Nike, they're all battered. That may be the delivery people. Yeah, you're not gonna you're not gonna keep the box, are you? But it's nice to get a nice box. If you were gonna keep the box.
23. I don't know what that is there for.
Good Jordan. Yeah. Very nice box. So, okay, sizing. Let's talk about sizing quickly. What size are you?
7.
What size did? No, you're not size 7.
These are size
You're
7.
size 7, but what is generally size in most of your stuff?
6.
Size 6. What did the lady at Clark say?
I was 6.5 to 7.
6.5, 7. So your Adidas.
Libre.
Adidas X's. We've got here in size, UK size. Let's prove it. Can you see that? You can't see it, can you? Anyway, believe me, that's a size 6.
Believe us.
The trendy ones are the kind of...
Shiny.
It's gone all funny. Why has it gone all funny? Look at that.
Oh no. It's not shiny anymore.
Not
it's
shiny.
Matte. It's matte.
It's gone matte. What a load of waste of time. The glossy thing is fat. So skeletal weave, all that jazz. Do you have space at the front when you wear them? Space at the front. Half a thumb. Half my thumb or half your thumb?
Half my thumb.
So not a lot, but they should be fairly tight fit. Verdicts about these?
I like them.
You like them? Better than your Hypervenoms? What we had ages ago?
I don't know.
Better than Predators?
Yeah, because I don't have to do my laces.
Hardy ha ha ha. So what I mean performance, I said.
I don't know. I don't realize it. Well,
So it proves I can just get you any old boots from Sports Direct, not spend loads of money like I did on these. It won't make any difference to me.
no, I mean you can buy me any decently good boots.
Yeah, decently good boots. Right. Anyway, we'll get rid of that. So these are size 6 and they fit, and this is Adidas. Okay. So now we're looking at Nike. So the thing is, these 7s fit you fine, and these 6s fit you fine. So that's a massive discrepancy, isn't it?
Yes.
So the best thing is try them on if you can. The problem with football boots getting me these ones, it's hard to get hold of really. It's somewhere you can get them and stop doing that. Get them and try them on. So that's the problem. So if you buy them, what do we always say? If you buy new boots or trainers, what should
Don't
always
wear them outside before you actually put them on to see if they fit you properly with loads of space at the front, so you don't have to buy new boots really quickly if you're a child, not an adult.
Very good answer. That's very good. The other thing is to see if they're going to be comfortable enough for you to wear. So wear them around the house. Don't wear them outside. Then at least you can go back to the store and say, these are too tight. They're too loose. Can I change them for the other one? If you say can I exchange them, they're always more happy and they're more likely to accept them. If you think say, oh, I want my money back. But if you really want the trainers, you just say give me a size 6 instead of a size 7, or a size 6.5 instead of a size 6 if they're too tight.
Yes.
So never wear them outside, especially football boots. Break them in the house until, if you can, if you're allowed to, until you go to training. Don't just wear them the day they come on a Friday afternoon. You've got training Friday evening. Don't wear them Friday evening. Wear them for a day or so. Wear them for a good couple of hours around the house to make sure you can actually wear them and deal with them and feel comfortable. Because if you don't, this is what they say. You know, this is advice, good advice from Unisport. The guys from Unisport as well. I'm sure. You know, J Max mentioned it. I'm sure. Soccer Reviews. What's his name? Soccer Reviews. Josh from Soccer Reviews for You has also mentioned, I'm sure, in the advice. Good YouTube channel to go to. Soccer Reviews for You and Unisport. Really brilliant if you want to know a lot about football, learn a lot about football stuff and football gear, mainly boots. Okay, let's get down.
Now let's get on to this. I'm not going to open it.
Not entirely unboxing because you tried them in the store, didn't you?
Yeah. So here they are. Well, I think they look really nice actually. My first white shoes ever, because I don't...
Greyish white.
Oh, grey.
Light grey.
Yeah.
I think they look amazing. Design's fantastic. Who designs these really super artistic
And
people
this-
that design these boots?
Yeah, this whole front bit is all Flyknit.
Is that Flyknit? I think it is
Yeah.
Flyknit kind of material, isn't it? It's like
Yeah,
really
it is.
nice and brilliant and nice design. You know, so we've got gone. So how does the Flyknit all the way up? The tongue is kind of like, what's the tongue like? Like very material like. It's all material like the front, quite kind of thin. Flyknit basically.
There are some weird laces.
The laces
Really
are.
nice.
Laces have got, what have they got on it? What?
It's like a spiral weave.
Like a texturing all the way around. Really nice, cylindrical. There you go, in focus. The end bit.
Oh, you can see that spirally thing as well.
In the end bit as well.
Yeah, really cool.
Got a bit here to... Thank you, darling. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
And then you've got... And you've got a sole there.
Yeah. Yes. And okay. I have now taken over. So there's the Jordan sign. And I am going to show you them on feet in a minute, but I'm just going to take a moment to appreciate how nice these look, and I hope I don't get them dirty as well. That would be a shame.
What if we can use the
Yeah.
dirt blocker spray? We could use that.
Yeah. If it works, then yeah. Play football in these. Joking. Jokes.
We'll get some more from Deichmann. We've got Deichmann.
Yeah. So there's the sole little thing there as well, the Jordan thing. Right there. Yeah.
So what made you want to get these designs? I wasn't there. Was it because you like them, or have your friends got shoes like this, or do you just like the design? What was it?
So I went in. I didn't actually have a proper look. I just looked at these and I said I just liked them, so yeah, just got them.
Okay. Yeah.
And when I went in, I didn't even know it was some 30% off on everything. I thought it was only on some stuff, but it was on everything, so it's even a bigger bonus than getting it from £94 to 62. So it went from 90. So these are worth £94. So they went from 94 to 62, and with the discount 43 and 40 pence.
40, over 40.
They were.
Oh. Isn't it? Is it 43 or 44 pounds? 43 pounds 40 or 44 pounds 30?
I'm sure it was 43, but
Let's say 45. Let's say 45 pounds.
Okay, yeah, 45.
So, do you like them?
Yeah, I really like them.
So we're going to do
We're gonna do an on feet. So let's go in. I'll see you in a. So here they are, and now I'm going to put them on.
They go on quite easily?
Yeah.
Not like your Predators, your football boots.
All the X's.
The X's.
X's are so hard. Okay.
Building.
Yeah, building.
This is
Okay. How much wiggle room you got? About a thumb. That's about right, yeah? Nice. Feels really nice, this. How does it feel to you? How does it feel on the inside?
Yeah, it feels really nice.
Really comfortable?
The back bit's comfy.
yeah.
What's yours? Let's have a look. So it's got a kind of...
Like some bumper thing.
Yeah, that's nice. And it's got this, yeah.
Loop.
Go and stand up then, let's have a good... How flexible are they? Nice and flexible?
Maybe not yet, but when I break them in here.
Okay. There's the side. Whoa, stop. Slow down a bit. So that's the side. Wait. Can you lice them slightly differently? You can, look.
Yeah.
It's like a, not quite a net
Puma
fit
net
system,
fit.
by the Puma 1-1 type. You can change the position. Like Puma 1-1s or whatever they are. And you got loop there, bit there, yep. Turn to the side so you just see the inside. No, you've got to move that foot out of the way to see the inside. Your head up a bit. Yeah, just front again. Front. Put the feet close together, yeah. Let's show the bottom, just lift your foot up. Sit down on the bed and lift your foot up. See the bottom one properly. You've got this kind of bit hard to see, it's not great, it's a light, but you've got Nike Jordan thing there if I hold that up. They're different, nice. Definitely lots of cushioning there. Should be nice and comfortable. Let's turn around the back and a bit. Yeah. So how do they feel on feet? How do they feel? Stand up again. Feel comfortable?
Yeah. It's like something like hugging your foot.
Is it?
Yeah.
How do they feel compared to your other previous Nikes and the Adidas trainers? They always look quite comfortable. Do you feel more comfortable? Or about
Well,
the same?
I've not really had this type of shoe.
Mm.
I have, but like all those ones were quite tight.
Mm. And this is?
This one's quite nice actually. Yeah. And it's like kind of, it's got like a really thick
I made it.
sole at the bottom.
Mm. Really lots of cushioning.
Yeah, it starts walking different. But my other Nike trainers are quite like the big sole at the bottom bit.
Yeah. So what would you recommend getting them? Getting a hold of a pair?
Yeah, they're really nice.
Really, and good price, really good
Yeah.
price, really good price. Because remember, these are size 7, so the actual adult size. And to get a pair of adult size boots for this nice for £43, I mean, someone else may be able to buy and get them cheap, get out of them cheaper, but yeah, there and then, absolute bargain. Really brilliant price. You can tell they're really good quality.
Yeah.
Don't skimp on the quality at all. Really nice. That Flyknit material there. The really nice kind of laces that look so cool. Like, you know,
And
not
the
like
design on the Flyknit.
yeah, design on the Flyknit looks brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. So yeah. Do you recommend? What do you give out of 10? Be honest.
10. I
Probably
say
say
that
that.
every time.
Say that every time, don't you? But yeah, so you know, I know it's just maybe make another video for the sake of it. Maybe we should give it a feedback on these after you've worn them for.
We say that, but we never get around.
We never get round to it, but we should try to get round to it. Just time, isn't it?
Yeah.
Anyway,
Yeah. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Peace out.